Meet the Damaraland mole rat, nature's tiny troublemaker. It is possibly the most annoying animal on Earth. It digs, it squeaks, it chews, and it never stops. Even the fox doesn't like it. It almost enjoys being chased, like it's playing the world's worst game of hide and squeak. And the best part? It always wins. Quick, clever, and annoyingly smug. The fox always failed to catch it. Would you lose your mind dealing with this? Damaraland mole rat tiny. Toothy. Totally irritating.